What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Trees. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about the brand Blk-ed. So Blk-ed sells makeup bags, they sell handbags, they sell wallets, they sell purses, they sell what is it, the travel satchel bags. I'm not sure what they call it. I'm not sure what they call it right now. Weekend bags. They sell everything. And today we're going to talk about my mini backpack that I got. So this is what it looks like. So it's it looks like that because I literally just took it out of the packaging and put all my stuff in here. But so this is the bag. This is what it looks like. Vegan leather. Okay, I'm obsessed with like vegan stuff now. Like I have vegan hair products. I'm just obsessed with vegan stuff. So this is what it looks like. Look at it, y'all. It looks so pretty. It's so beautiful. Like I love this bag, and it's also Black owned. The company is Black owned. Typically I only work with brands that are Black owned, so that's definitely the way to go. And guess what? So you can't buy a bag without a matching wallet. Like, what you thought? You feel me? So this is what they look like together. They're so pretty. It's so cute. I just love this. For me, like I love it so much. So I'm gonna show y'all we're gonna start with the wallet first, so I can put all my cards and stuff back in it, because I didn't want, you know what I'm saying, y'all ain't finna get me, you feel me? So we gonna start with the wallet first so I can immediately put my cards back in it. So this is what the wallet looks like. No money. We don't carry any money around here because it's COVID. Like I feel like carrying money now is just disgusting. Like handing money to a cashier is just like, you feel me? So I don't carry money, but yes. So this is the wallet. I do have some change in here. This is like the change pocket, so you can fit your cards in here and money if you carry money on both sides. And yeah, it's just a really nice, convenient wallet. So I'm gonna put all my cards back in here and my ID and stuff, so that way I don't lose nothing. But yeah, that is the wallet. It's so cute and it matches the bag perfectly. Like I like that. I really love that. And so next we're going to talk about the bag. I love the material. So for me, I like mini backpacks because I'm always on a go. Like during COVID, you don't want to be in a grocery store with a big old bag, you know what I'm saying? You want to get what you need to get and get out. So that's why I just like carrying something on my little shoulder, you know what I'm saying? Just boom, out the door. And this bag is really great for that. So I'm gonna show y'all the size of the bag and like what's in my bag. So what I'm carrying is, I have this little pouch here. So it has my lip gloss, my lotion, and sanitizer because again, COVID. So yeah, I don't carry much. And the next thing I have is, I have another lotion in here. Okay, so next thing I have is another lotion. So I have 2 lotions in here. The next thing I have is my inhaler because I do have asthma, and sometimes living in California be so smoky and you just you know what I'm saying. And the next thing I have is my AirPods. Lakers. My brother got me this. It's cute. I like it. Next thing I have is my charger. Okay. And the next thing I have is my wipes. So I have these wipes in here because I don't know, it's just, I feel like if I go to somebody's house and they don't have wipes, I feel disgusted. You know, it's just like, I don't know. I don't use tissue. Like, do you still use? Okay, but yeah, I have these in my purse because if I do have to use the bathroom, like say I'm going to Target and I gotta use the bathroom, I want my wipes. I don't want to read, you know what I'm saying? It's just so yeah. So oh, and then I also have my mask. So this is the inside of the bag. Okay, you have a pocket. Oh, this is deep. You have a deep pocket here and stuff like that. And this is literally the bag. That's it, y'all. That's it. It's really, really cute. Really, really spacious. It's not gonna hold a lot of stuff, but I don't need it to hold a lot of stuff. I like, this is what I carry on a daily basis when I leave my house, and that's good for me. You know what I'm saying? That's enough for me. So I really, really like this. Like, and I love the matching wallet. Oh my god. And let me show y'all how everything looks in my bag. So I put the wallet in first. Wallet goes in the bag, and then I put the wipes. Oh, hold on. I put the wipes in second, just like that. And then I put my little compartment here in like that. My mask goes in the front. AirPods, inhaler. And then I put my charger in here. And that's how I carry everything, all my essentials in my bag. And then I zip it up, and I'm ready to go for the bag. Boom. I'm ready to go. It's real, real cute. Look good on me too. Just a little, you know, bag. So yeah, and then it has a pocket here for if you want to, I don't know, if you have something flat that you could put in here. I'm trying to, what do I have that's flat? Nothing right now. I don't have anything that's flat, but you know, if you have like gum you want to put in here, I don't know, that's flat, or a card, paper, I don't know what you could put in here. But yeah, it comes with a little, it's just really, really cute, y'all. And I love the design, and I love that it comes with a matching wallet. Like, oh, it just, yes, this is great for me, y'all. So this is the bag. Don't forget to shop Blk-ed. I'll have all her information linked in the description box, or I'll pin it, or I'll like put a pinned comment. And yeah, y'all, make sure, just make sure you support her. Like, she has a very, very great brand going, and she does it with her daughter, and it's really, really good. Like, I love her stuff. I love the material, I love the quality. And she also has makeup bags. This is the makeup bag. I already did a video on this. It holds all of my, literally all of my stuff. Like, I don't carry nothing in here but lip gloss, because I'm a lip gloss junkie. But when I do have a bigger bag, I like to carry, I put the whole pouch in there. So I put all my lip glosses in here, and yeah. So she has great quality stuff. I love her stuff, and I love her brand. I love what her brand stands for, and it's also Black owned. You really can't go wrong with any of that. Like I said, I will link all of her stuff in the description box below, and make sure you support that. Oh, I forgot to put my lotion in here. But yes, I will definitely be carrying this and rocking this. This is a lightweight bag, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute. I could just, I don't know, y'all, I'm finna be rocking this. So all right, y'all, that was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Latrice, and be sure to turn your post notifications on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. Shop Blk-ed, okay? She got some good stuff, okay? Black owned as well, okay? Let's not forget that. Okay. The name of this bag is Sisters, I do believe. I'm not really sure. I have to go back on the website and look. And I think the name of this makeup bag is Bella, long hair Bella, something Bella. So, but this is the one that I have, and it's really cute. And yeah, so I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.